Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their storage solutions. The Hlyluoyi wheels for shelves heavy duty. These are hands down the best wheels for shelves on the market right now, and we're about to find out why. Let's start with what makes these caster wheels stand out. They're designed specifically for wire shelving units. Featuring a sturdy 3-inch diameter and a robust construction that blends polyurethane, metal, and steel. This combination not only ensures durability but also provides a smooth rolling experience. They come with a 1x4 threaded stem, compatible with various shelving units and work tables. Each wheel can swivel 360 degrees, making maneuverability a breeze, and one of the 4 wheels includes a brake for added stability. With a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds per set, they're perfect for heavy-duty use in industrial settings or even at home. Whether you're organizing your garage, setting up a utility cart, or enhancing your workspace, these wheels are incredibly versatile. They're ideal for instrument cases, art tables, toy bins, and even shopping carts. Basically, anywhere you need mobility and reliability. Now, let's talk about build quality. The Hlyluoyi wheels are crafted with polyurethane wheels and robust steel hardware. This not only ensures longevity but also guarantees that they can handle heavy loads without compromising on performance. Users have praised these wheels for their smooth rolling action and easy installation. They save time and effort, allowing you to move your shelving units effortlessly. Plus, the ability to lock one wheel in place adds an extra layer of convenience and safety. Compared to similar products, like the Hlyluoyi wheels excel in terms of build quality, weight capacity, and overall value. They're competitively priced for what they offer. To wrap it up, if you're looking to upgrade your shelving units with wheels that are durable, versatile, and easy to use, look no further than the Hlyluoyi wheels for shelves heavy duty. They truly deliver on their promise of quality and functionality. Interested in getting your own set? Check out the link in the description below to find out more about these fantastic caster wheels. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.